Welcome to First Time Casting Adventures channel. Please subscribe for more videos.
All right, good morning, guys. I'm Clyde Demery. Welcome to another episode of First Time Casting Adventures. I'm on the water bright and early this morning, man. Trying to see if we can get anything to happen. I'm going to be throwing worms, lipless crankbaits. I don't know. Whatever these fish is in the mood for, I'm going to see if I can give them what they want. So y'all guys stay tuned. All right. Yes, sir. Yeah. That's what I came for right here, guys. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Healthy bass in this place, man. Yeah, I need to do a short with this. All right, guys. Not bad to start the morning. 2:15. Hey, I can't complain with that. Let's keep it going. See what else we can get. Let's get this boy back in the water. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate that. Ugh, come here, buddy. Second one, guys. Oh wow, look at that. Woo! Hey guys, he's a little smaller. Let's get him back in the water. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate that. That's the first snake I see this year. Good gracious. First one. They out, y'all. So if y'all out there fishing from the bank and stuff, or from these little John boats and stuff like that, y'all need to be careful, because they out. Wow. Good gracious.